Here, you can see what reflective membrane technology can do, among other things. One reason for this is small ceramic hollow bodies that enclose a vacuum. They were developed for space travel, where they serve as heat shields. They are an important component of reflective membrane technology, the basis for all ClimateCoating functional coatings. Whether in private or commercial interiors, facades, roofs, tanks, technical buildings, or even wooden components, ClimateCoating products are used wherever more than just a colored paint is needed. In interiors, the reflective membrane technology helps that heat is better distributed, and thus less heating energy has to be used. Through reflection, it ensures that light is better distributed indoors. This special nature of the coating allows moisture to be absorbed and released. Thanks to this moisture-regulating property, ClimateCoating is predestined for use in damp rooms, whether for private or commercial use. Mold growth is prevented, and allergy sufferers can also breathe a sigh of relief because ClimateCoating is free of allergenic ingredients. Applied to building facades in cold and wet regions, they can prevent micro cracks from forming on the facade in the alternating rain and sunlight, in which algae and moss take hold and in turn attack the facade. Our functional coatings ensure that this effect does not occur, and what's more, thanks to their diffusion properties, our intelligent functional coatings act like a pump that uses the sun's rays to draw moisture out of the facade. Dry facades insulate better. Incidentally, this applies to new buildings just as much as to historical ones. Due to climate change, cooling is becoming an increasingly important cost factor, not only in warmer regions of the world. Here, our functional coatings act like a passive air conditioning system. ClimateCoating as a roof coating helps to effectively reduce heating of the roof and thus reduce the amount of energy needed to cool the interior. Incidentally, this effect also has a positive impact on the service life of the roof structures. Temperatures down and energy costs down the sustainable way. ClimateCoating functional coatings are made in Germany and have proven their worth in over 35,000 projects in 54 countries around the world. The key to the success of these coatings lies in their ease of use, requiring neither special technology nor special skills. We have been developing our smart functional coatings since 2003 and are pioneers in the field of reflective membrane technology. Commercial builders, architects, planners, housing developers, and industrial companies, those who choose ClimateCoating are choosing a sustainable path that preserves value. Innovations that solve specifically problems. Innovations that make it possible to work faster. Excellent innovations that protect the environment in the long term and sustainably, that preserve values, that help save energy and thus CO2, and that conserve resources. Innovations that are worth taking a closer look at. Get to know us and our products, and find your contact person for ClimateCoating.